So I break out into the wildest of my dreams, busting out, running wild and getting free. So I break out, dancing on burning gasoline, 'cause I know the blind road ain't the one for me. I break out. No pain, no gain.
Good morning. -1 degree. So it'll definitely be a couple of hours before I get back on the bike. And I even put the heating on last night in here. Winter is upon us, people.
Hands wrapped, knuckles taped black. Pick my gloves up off the mat. Fighting's all I ever had. Wasn't born with tons of gifts. Had to work hard as a kid. Know that everything I did was to catch the other kids. Slowly built that self-esteem. Turned myself to a machine. I'd compete so I'd be seen. I would lose and I'd succeed, but you'd never see me quit. I'd always get after it. Knew I had a different gift. I'd outwork any other kid. Deep within our souls, we can feel there's something empty. We need something.
So guys, I'm back in Nuevo Casas Grandes. I just passed by the water park that I explored on a couple of weeks back. I'm going back to San Buenaventura to avoid the toll roads, which is where the abandoned stadium was. And then after, I'm gonna go a different way. So unfortunately, that's almost it. And the Real Bloody Fox Breakout Tour 2022 is gonna come to an end. But don't despair, I'm already planning the next leg, which will be even bigger and even better. And if you liked my content in the first leg, I've created a Patreon. You can find the link in the description below, and you can support me so I can create even more and even better content for you. In return, you can get perks like early access, exclusive content that nobody else will be able to see, and even merchandise with snapshots of my most iconic abandoned properties on a shirt, on a sticker, on a mug, you name it. You will have 4 different memberships to choose from. As I said, the link is in the description below. Thank you and have a great day.
You realize deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose. Let's go. Thoughts can keep you down, pushing deep until you drown, or they can keep you up strong, focused on the now. Glass half full, or has it been emptied out? Well, that's all up to you and your mind. Do you doubt anything, everything, not a thing? Make my thoughts work for me, manifest what I need, what I want, what I see. I could be anything, I attract all the things that I see. I believe I'll achieve as I breathe in and out again and again. I don't doubt, I sit in a plan and I found out that I can execute. If I'm driven, if I listen, if I learn all the wisdom, read some books, something written, watch the best. Teach a system I invest, never hidden, I ain't scared. Ain't no chicken, I take dares. I'll be winning, you get back what you're giving. Find the reason that you're living, what you're good at, all your gifts and what you love. Take a risk and find out what you've been missing. You realize deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose. You realize deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it.
I just passed through San Buenaventura, which is the place where on the way there I found the abandoned baseball stadium. It's like 21 degrees now Celsius. It feels way warmer without the wind though, and I'm wearing like 5 layers because I started when it was way colder. I just passed a sign that says Cuauhtémoc 243 kilometers and around I don't know how much time left. Anyways, it says I would arrive around 3:45 if I don't waste too much time. So I'm gonna give myself another 15 to 30 minutes to take breaks and to, you know, film nice things that I see on the side of the road, but I'm confident that I'll arrive in Cuauhtémoc way in time, and there's no bad weather forecasts anymore, no strong winds, no hail, snow, nothing like that. So it's a really good day.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Hands wrapped, knuckles taped black. Pick my gloves up off the mat. Fighting's all I ever had. Wasn't born with tons of gifts. Had to work hard as a kid. Know that everything I did was to catch the other kids. Slowly built that self-esteem. Turned myself to a machine. I'd compete so I'd be seen. I would lose and I'd succeed, but you'd never see me quit. I'd always get after it. Knew I had a different gift. I'd outwork any other kid. Deep within our souls, we can feel there's something empty. We need something more. I feel destiny, she tempts me, tells me there's two paths, they both have a different ending. Choose wise and you'll find that pain leads to ascending. Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery, I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary. Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery, I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary. Coming out of the gate, I'll be last place, that's alright. I don't work at a fast pace, I'm a steady horse creeping up, straight passing. And once I pass you, no one's getting past me. I've seen people hit walls and they stop there. I don't get that mind, man, it sounds scared. Good things take time, better prepare, cause anything great takes pain as a fair. Take it from me, cause I got to this place where no one can tell me to do anything. I call my own shots, I call my own place. I enjoy my life almost every day, and I could teach you if you listen to me. You follow some rules, don't need gifts to be paid. Persistence is better than brains any day. Just listen to me and I'll show you the way. In our souls, we can feel there's something empty. We need something more. I feel destiny, she tempts me, tells me there's two paths, they both have a different ending. Choose wise and you'll find that pain leads to ascending. Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery, I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary. Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery, I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary.
So guys, this is almost it. I'm back at Álvaro Obregón, or Rubio, for those who've been watching from the beginning. That was my first stop to check if my luggage was safe when it wasn't. So I've got another 40 minutes left on this trip until I'll arrive back home in Cuauhtémoc. It took me way longer today as well because I took a wrong turn at some point, which isn't really true. It's just I wanted to save battery and I didn't navigate, and so I just followed the signs to Cuauhtémoc, and obviously that wasn't a fast route. It was going through every village in the state of Chihuahua. So it's now like noisy trucks here. It is now 17:18, 20 past 5 p.m. I got another 40 minutes to go, so I'll be home at pretty much 6 p.m. straight. All I have to go is to go down the Corredor Comercial, the commercial corridor, which is a nasty bit of road with a lot of potholes and stuff, but I'll also survive that. So let's go, and I'll talk to you when I'm back. So guys, I made it back to Guatemoc. I'm in Hugo's shop. This is Hugo. And Hugo,
No friends.
Hugo sells my sauces in his shop. And I don't see any sauces, which is good. That means they all sold, which means I'm gonna get paid because I managed. Okay, there's one left. Anyways, I got down to like 20 or 30 pesos on my account. And now I need to collect some money. And cheers! Salud!
Salud.
Oh, Jesus, this man knows how to mix a tequila. So, not having eaten since 1 p.m. It's now 6 something. And then drinking a strong tequila probably wasn't the best idea. But guys, I have to celebrate. I made it. I've been on the road for 72 days according to my tracker. So now I'm gonna unpack this shit and open my front door. Gonna have a couple more tequilas, also have some food, and then tomorrow I'm gonna make a summary of everything. Good night, see you later, and stay sober. Okay, let's see if the key to my door still fits. I haven't been here for 72 days. It opens. So guys, this is it. It's the end of the Real Bloody Fox Breakout Tour 2022. I've been back to Guatemoc for about a week and a half now, and I had to let things settle a bit because, yeah, let's just say the last week of the trip was pretty stressful, to say the least. So I'm currently analyzing the good things and the bad things, what worked, what didn't work so well. I am already planning a second one. I'm not going to give away too much, but it's going to be bigger, it's going to be better, it's probably going to have a slightly different format. And I'm also looking for sponsors, by the way. So if you have a business and if you liked my content so far, reach out to me. Maybe we can come to an agreement. Now, let me give a big shout out to April Art, the band that allowed me to use their song Breakout as my anthem for this whole trip. And now, 3 more days later, the snow has finally caught up with me, even in Mexico. There was snow on the bike because it snowed quite heavily last night. There's not much left of it now. But since I'm a weather refugee, or what Americans call a snowbird, definitely stay tuned for the next adventure. See you soon.
It's time to break out. Now it's time to hit the road.